Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anukriti Sharma. Welcome to this course on communication skills. We are here on lecture on channels of communication. So as we all know, communication is the heart of any organization. Everything you do in the workplace from the result of communication. While developing your career, you will get to know why communication is important. So let's begin our lecture. So in an organization, communication flows in 5 main directions. First one is downward, upward, horizontal, lateral, diagonal, and grapevine communication. In the subsequent slides, we will learn each and every flow of communication in details. So the first one is downward communication. Downward communication is used by the senior members for the following purposes. For example, providing feedback on employees' performance, giving job instructions, providing a complete understanding of the employees' job, as well as to communicate them how their job is related to other jobs in the organization. Communicating the organization's missions and vision to the employees, highlighting the areas of attention. So communication that flows from a higher levels in an organization to a lower level is downward communication, and in other words, communication from superior to subordinates in a chain of command is a downward communication. So this communication flow is used by the managers or seniors to transmit work related information to the employees at lower levels. So employees requires this information for performing their jobs and for meeting the expectations of their managers or seniors. So organizational publications circulate. So in order to have effective and error-free downward communication, seniors must specify communication objectives, ensure that the message is accurate, specific, and unambiguous, or simple or lucid. Utilize the best communication technique to convey the message to the receivers in right form. So upward flow of communication is the next flow of communication, and communication that flows to a higher level in an organization is called upward communication. It provides feedback on how well the organization is functioning, and the subordinates use upward communication to convey their problem and performances to their superiors. So the subordinates also use upward communication to tell how well they have understood the downward communication. It can also be used by the employees to share their views and ideas to participate in the decision-making process. Or we can say the communication which flows from senior to junior, it is called upward communication. So upward communication leads to a more committed and loyal workforce in an organization because the employees are given a chance to raise and speak dissatisfaction issues to the higher levels. The senior or managers get to know about the employees' feelings towards their jobs, peers, supervisors, and organization in general. Managers or seniors can thus accordingly take decisions uh, and take actions for improving things. Grievance, redressal system, complaint and suggestion box, job satisfaction survey, etc. all help in improving upward communication. Other examples of upward communication are performance reports made by low-level management for reviewing by higher-level management, employees, attitude surveys, uh, letters from employees, managers, discussion, etc. So this is also the very important flow for communication for the company's growth. Now the next flow of communication is lateral or horizontal communication. Communication that takes place at same level of hierarchy in an organization is called lateral communication. That is communication between peers, between managers, between directors at same level, or between any horizontally equivalent organizational members. The advantage of horizontal communication are as follows. It is time saving. It facilitates coordination of the task. It facilitates cooperation among team members. It provides emotional and social assistance to the organizational members, and it helps in solving various organizational problems. It is a means of information sharing, or it can also be used for resolving conflicts of a department with other department, or conflicts with a department. So these are the some advantages of organization. Now the next is a diagonal communication, or crosswise communication. Communication that takes place between managers and employees of other work group is called diagonal communication. It generally does not appear on organizational chart. For instance, to design a training module, a training manager interact with an operational personnel to inquire about the way they perform their task. So it is also very important flow of communication. Now the last one is grapevine communication. What is grapevine communication? It includes unofficial and quick conversation among employees of the same rank. It is an informal channel of business communication. It is natural outgrowth person to person, informal communication channel through which information flows horizontally, vertically and diagonally. Grapevine operates both in internal and external informal channels. It passes opinion, suspicion and rumors that generally do not move through formal channel. So in this lecture we have learned about the flow of communication, in how many ways and information can flow in an organization.